Now let's make our game a little more exciting by adding another sprite. So we'll go to the New Sprite button, click on it, and then we're going to look for the ideal sprite to place on the screen, and we'll choose this one, the crab sprite. Alright, so click on it, click on OK, and the crab is added to the screen. Alright, we'll move this guy to the left. Now, we'll make our game such that when the cat gets the ball, he wins, and when the cat gets the crab, he loses. Because I can imagine cats don't like crab. Okay, we gotta move the cat to the center of the screen before we restart. Alright, so when the cat moves towards the crab, as yet nothing happens. And that's simply because we haven't added a script for the crab. Okay, so let's go and add a script. We'll start off at the Events tab. When green flag clicked, looks, and we'll add the show piece. Then we go to the Control tab, select Forever, drop it there, and then we go for the If. What's going to happen next? If this sprite, which is crab, is touching the cat, then something needs to happen. So we go to the Sensing tab, because that's where the touching pieces are. So I click on it, drag it across, and place it inside the notch of the if piece. So if touching, remember the cat's name is Sprite1. If touching, Sprite1. So when the cat is touching the crab, what happens? If touching Sprite1, then the crab disappears. So we go to Looks and we drag across the hide piece. Fantastic. Let's test it out. So we stop our game and we restart. So the cat touches the crab, crab disappears. Cat touches the ball disappears. Now there's one very important thing to keep note of, and that is when you start your game, in certain points you'll notice that a certain sprite is missing. Now where's our ball sprite? Now I'll tell you what exactly is happening here. When you start your game, alright, now the cat is positioned exactly where the ball is supposed to be. So when you stop your game and you start it, the ball doesn't have a chance to appear, because the instant it appears, and it happens so fast that we can't see it happening, the cat touches it and it disappears. So you can imagine when I click my green flag, the ball is appearing and disappearing extremely fast, because immediately the moment we hit the green button, it's triggering a collision detection. In other words, if touching Sprite1, then hide. So the ball is being hidden immediately when I start my game. So if I move my cat a little back, a little away from the ball and attempt to restart my game, you can see the ball appears.
Thank you for watching this lesson. If you're interested in doing more awesome courses like this one, check out our website. Link is in the description below.